As I was saying, we are in the University of Limpopo. There is graduation here. Students are happy, parents are happy, and the leadership also should be happy. Here with me, I've got the newly elected president of the University of Limpopo, SRC, Mr. Kamohelo Poto. Mr. Kamohelo Poto, how are you?
No, I'm fine, thanks. How are you, my brother?
I'm very much well, my brother. How do you feel to see your student graduating as the newly elected president?
Now, we are very happy because, as you would know, that we were told when we grew up that it takes a village to raise a child. So it means that today many villages, many previously disadvantaged villages where the students are coming from are excited as well because their children today are graduating, and it can only mean one thing for us. It means that they are going to live here and better those villages of theirs through the education that they've received.
No, thank you, Mr. Poto. And also, I want to ask my brother, Wuti, how do you feel? What message can you give to the grade 12s that are at home? Like, what motivation can you give to them with this graduation?
We want to say to them, your dreams are valid. It's not an impossible thing for you to come to university and study what you want. The only thing that we can say to them is that study hard, make sure that you do extremely well in your upcoming final year examinations. Make sure that you pass exceptionally well so that you are able to get yourself an admission in the university space. We want to say to them, they must remember that education is the key to success, and without education, one stands a lesser chance of not making it in life.
No, thank you, Mr. President, and I wish you a very wonderful time in your office.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you.